cuties! Today we're taking a trip back in time to the fabulous 2000s. Yep, are you ready to get that Y2K glam? Let's get started. Today's makeup guide is brought to us by 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐈𝐌𝐄𝐑. This look is a gorgeous 2000s-inspired smoky eye and glossy lip makeup style. First up, start with a moisturizing setting spray and primer for a flawless, slightly dewy finish, and apply your fave foundation, using a cushion to spread evenly. Next, apply a lighter concealer and blend. Use a cool-toned cream contour to best carve out your features. The 2000s usually feature bold brows, but today we're trying to emphasize our eyes. Dip into a light color eyeshadow for the base. Then use a brown on your lid. Use a bronzy gold shadow on the ends of your eyes for a nice pop. Then simply mix brown and black and apply under your eyes. Swipe beautiful black eyeliner on your waterline and create a bold wing. Whoa, she looks so cool, right? I'd definitely run in awe. Anyways, to create a smudged smoky look, use black and blend it a little bit. Now apply a metallic gray glitter shadow in the center. Go in again with a darker brown, just to make it a little bit more smoky. Quickly draw simple 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐂𝐋𝐀𝐈𝐌𝐄𝐑 and apply cluster lashes in whatever shape suits you best. Now a matte highlighter will help make your makeup look smoother. This blush has a muddy dark red color which complements this kind of smoky look. Also go heavy if need be. Then for the lips, outline with lip liner. And then a light colored lip gloss. Light colored lips were super popular in the 2000s, and a light glossy lip will absolutely complete this look. Wow, the 2000s look is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. I'll see you next time. Bye-ya!